Hey, my friend, how you doing?
Good.
Good? You're always good, I know, right? Hey, that's it? That's it? Okay. Just this two, right?
Oh yeah.
So, how's going on? Mm-hmm. Cash or a card?
No cash.
Oh, you're a rich person, right?
I know.
All the time you're a rich person, I know that. So that's it?
That's it.
Okay, thank you so much.
I mean, you chase back.
Yes, of course. I know you remember that. You got to change. Okay.